Okay everybody, we're going to have an assembly today, and you might know what the assembly might be about. Or maybe a new character. So good at guessing, aren't you? You make it so quick and so easy. Well, I guess it is an easy guess to guess, you know, because it's always the one question everyone thinks of. And drumroll please. Garry the black sheep. Or coffee sheep. Yeah, as this one, it doesn't speak either, but there's something a little awesome about it. Whenever it attacks, it poisons the enemy. What do you think of that? That's cool. I think we never had an enemy just like that. Yep, that's an enemy I've not seen before. A member you haven't seen before. Yep. As you see, we must test it out. Should we test you out, coffee sheep? Oh, I take that as a yes. Let's go! Don't worry, if you need any help, me and Kylo Ren can sort it out. We'll give you support.
Don't be afraid. I feel it too.
It's a black sheep. I wonder what he's doing here. I had no idea, but we should teach him a lesson not to go in our area. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Ouch. What was that? Hizza. Ah. Oh. He poisoned me. Yeah. Hey, ha. I'm getting poisoned. And yeah. Defense. Yeah. Oh. He beat me up. Hey-ya. Well done, you took one out. Now take out the other two. Ha! Hey! poisoned damage. Ugh. Huh. Ah. Wow, well done! You did it! You did it, Garry! Well, at least we now know that you're a good character. We'll keep you with us. Yeah. And I'll show it to the others, and so they'll be amazed.